Lots of you have been asking how accurate my hand-forged iron dice are. So today we're going to find that out. And I will roll them and tally up the results. My lowest number was 140 ones, and the highest was 164 sixes. Somewhere along the lines, I lost one mark. And anyway, 152 rolls. So hopefully that's enough for you guys. That took so long. I think they're pretty accurate. But what do you guys think after 152 rolls? Remember, these are completely hand forged and unique, and they are also available with personalized stamping.